When it comes to window replacement or installation in Conshohocken, homeowners often focus on window styles, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. While all of these factors matter, there's one critical step that can make or break the entire project: proper window measurements. Accurate measurements are the foundation of a successful window installation, ensuring comfort, efficiency, and long-term value for your home. Older homes in Conshohocken require extra precision. Many homes in Conshohocken feature older construction, historic charm, and unique architectural details. Unlike newer developments, these homes rarely have perfectly square window openings. Over time, settling, renovations, and natural wear can slightly shift framing. If measurements are rushed or taken incorrectly, even high-quality windows may not fit properly. Professional measurement accounts for these variations by checking multiple points within the opening, width, height, and depth, to ensure the new window fits seamlessly. This level of precision is especially important for preserving the character and integrity of older Conshohocken homes. Preventing air leaks and energy loss. One of the main reasons homeowners replace windows is to improve energy efficiency. However, even the most energy-efficient window won't perform as promised if it's improperly sized. Gaps caused by inaccurate measurements allow air drafts, moisture, and outside noise to enter your home. In Conshohocken's climate, where winters can be cold and summers humid, poorly fitted windows can lead to higher heating and cooling costs year-round. Proper measurements ensure a tight seal, helping maintain indoor comfort and reducing strain on your HVAC system. Avoiding costly installation problems. Incorrect window measurements can lead to more than just discomfort. They can cause installation delays and unexpected costs. If a window arrives too large or too small, it may need to be reordered or heavily modified on site. This can increase labor costs and extend the project timeline. In some cases, installers may attempt to make it work with excessive shimming or filler materials, which can weaken the window's structural integrity. Accurate measurements from the start help avoid these issues, ensuring a clean installation that meets manufacturer standards and warranty requirements. Enhancing appearance and home value. Windows play a major role in how your home looks from both the inside and outside. Poorly measured windows may appear uneven, misaligned, or awkwardly placed within the frame. This can detract from your home's curb appeal and interior aesthetics. Proper measurements allow windows to sit flush and symmetrical, enhancing the overall appearance of your home. For Conshohocken homeowners considering resale, professionally installed, well-fitted windows can be a strong selling point and add real value to the property. Supporting long-term durability. Windows that don't fit correctly are more likely to experience long-term issues such as frame warping, glass stress, and seal failure. Over time, this can lead to fogging between panes, water intrusion, or difficulty opening and closing the window. By ensuring precise measurements, installers reduce unnecessary stress on window components. This helps extend the lifespan of your windows and protects your investment for years to come. Peace of mind through professional measurement. While DIY measuring might seem like a way to save money, it often leads to costly mistakes, especially in homes with unique or aging construction. Professional window installers in Conshohocken understand local building styles, code requirements, and measurement best practices. Accurate measurements provide peace of mind, knowing your new windows will perform as intended, look great, and stand up to Pennsylvania's changing seasons.